Hello guys, welcome to this video where we'll be discussing multiplication of SURDS. So these are the questions that we want to solve for multiplication. After I finish with this, you should be able to solve any question about multiplication of SURDS. Honestly. Now number one, we have SURDS 18 times SURDS 32. The best thing to do whenever you're dealing with SURDS here is not to combine using the first rule. Our first rule says we can do 18 times 32. If you do this, you have a big number, and finding factors to now start breaking down will be difficult. So what I students to do here is to break down the SURDS as much as you can. That is, simplify them. 18 can be simplified as 3 SURD 2. If you didn't get that, 18 is 9 times 2, and the square root of 18 is 3. That will come outside. We'll have it like this. At this junction, I'll tell you again, if you have not watched the previous video, please do, so that you understand better. Now, SURD 32. 32 is 16 times 2, and the square root of 16 is 4, so that will be out for SURD 2. So now we can multiply easily. We can multiply number and number, SURD and SURD, like this: 3 times 4 times SURD 2 times SURD 2. 3 times 4 is 12, so 2 times SURD 2 is 2. You remember that SURD 8 times SURD A is equal to A. And 12 times 2 now is 24. That is the answer to the question. I hope it's clear. Let's go to the next one. Number 2. We have SURD 24 times SURD 72 times 3 SURD 5. So we can simplify them also. This one is going to be SURD 4 times 6, and the square root of 4 is 2. We'll bring that out. So we have 2 SURD 6 times 72 is 36 times 2. Square root of 36 is 6, so that comes out to have 6 SURD 2 here, times we have 3 SURD 5. You cannot simplify 5 further. So to do numbers and numbers, SURD times SURD, we have 2 times 6 times 3 times SURD 6 times SURD 2 times SURD 5. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So we have 36 times SURD 6 times SURD 2. That is SURD 6 times 2 times 5. We can combine all of them like this. So we have 36 times SURD 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So we have 60. 60 can be broken down. There's a factor inside that is square root. 60 is 4 times 15, and we have 4 having a square root of 2. So that will be equal to 36 times 4. The square root of 4 is 2, SURD 15. So 36 times 2 now will be equal to 72 SURD 15. That is the final answer to that question. Obviously, you cannot simplify SURD 15 for that to have a number that has a whole number square root. Number 3 now, we have 4 SURD 3 all squared. What this means is that it multiplies itself 2 times. So we have 4 SURD 3 times 4 SURD 3. We multiply number and number, that is 4 times 4. And then we have SURD 3 times SURD 3. 4 times 4 is 16 times SURD 3 times SURD 3 is 3. 16 times 3 is 48. That is the answer to that question. Number 4, we have 2 SURD 3 all to the power 5. Meaning this multiply 5 times. Instead of 5 times, that is 2 SURD 3 times 2 SURD 3 times 2 SURD 3 times 2 SURD 3 times 2 SURD 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's complete. So if we multiply number and number, so we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times SURD 3 times SURD 3 times SURD 3 times SURD 3 times SURD 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 multiply itself 5 times to give you 32 times. Now SURD 3 times SURD 3, making them 2 is 3. SURD 3 times SURD 3 is also 3. Then we are left with another SURD 3, just 1. So we multiply this now. 32 times 3 is 96. And 96 times 3 should give us something around 288 SURD 3. Let me confirm that. 96 times 3, 3 times 6, 18, 1, and yes, 28. That's right. So that is the answer to number 4. Let's look at number 5 now. We have SURD 10 times 2 3 times sort 12 times 3 sort 8 times sort 40 times sort 32. So we simplify what we can simplify and leave the ones we can simplify. For example, sort 10 cannot be simplified further times 2 sort 3, you can simplify this further. This one, 12 is 4 times 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so we can simplify that one. 2 sort 3, that's over 13. Times 8 is 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 sort 2. But there's a 3 in front. 3 times 2, 6 sort 2, that will have here. 40 is 4 times 10, and the square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 sort 10 times 32 is 16 times 2, and the square root of 16 is 4, so we have 4 sort 2. So now that we've simplified them, let's see how we can multiply. We have sort 10, we have sort 10, we have sort 2, sort 2, sort 3, sort 3. If I want to do number times number, sort times sort, I'll pick all the numbers. We have 2 times 2 times 6 times 2 times 4. 2, 2, 6, 2, 4. Yes, that's everything. Then times, I think I have sort 10, sort 10. So that times sort 10 times sort 10 times sort 3, sort 3, sort 3 times sort 3 times, then I have sort 2 times sort 2 times sort 2. So now, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24, times 2, 48. 48 times 4, that is 156 plus 32. 192 times sort 10 times sort 10 is 10 times sort 3 times sort 3 is 3 times sort 2 times sort 2, that's 2. We multiply this 11520. That is the answer. So these are the examples for multiplication. Let's go and look at some questions on division. So now we have the examples on division of sorts. Solution. Number 1, we have sort 12 over 81. From the rule of sort, if you remember, I said we can actually combine sort A over sort B to become sort A over B. The same way we can combine, we can actually go from here back here. And I can separate the sorts and say sort 12 over sort 81. And what we have here now is going to be the simplified form of this. That is 2 sort 3 over square root of 81 is 9. That's our answer. If 2 and this, there is a common factor we can cut, but there is none. So that's it. How do you understand how this becomes this by simplification? Number 2 now. We have sort 2 over 18. Can do the same thing, like separate. And I can also do this since I can cut. 2 is here, 2 can go here, 2 can go here. I will have the square root of 1 over 9. 2 and 18 is 9. So if I separate, that is sort 1 over sort 9. And square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. So we have number 3 as our answer there. Number 3, we have 3 over sort 5. Now, this is where it is important to understand that in mathematics, we do not leave irrational numbers as denominators. Sorts are irrational numbers. That means when you find the square root of this line, to give you 2 point something, something, something. They are not whole number square roots, that's what we mean by irrational number. So basically, what you want to do is to rationalize the denominator. That means make the denominator a number that is definite. That is by making it something else that will not be solved. So as simple as that. So to solve this, what we simply do is to take the denominator, you need to multiply up and down. So it will look like this 3 over sort 5 times sort 5 over sort 5. We need to multiply both the numerator and denominator. What is the implication of this? The value of the entire fraction has not changed because sort 5 times divided by 5 is 1. So it's like you're multiplying the fraction by 1. But the 1 is a kind of 1 that will help to rationalize the denominator. If we do 3 times sort 5, we have 3 sort 5. Over sort 5 times sort 5 now is just 5. Now we don't have sort in the denominator and we have rationalized. That is as simple as this. Number 4, we have 5 over sort 12. Sort 12 can be simplified to give you 5 over 2 sort 3. Since 12 is 4 times 3 and square root of 4 is 2, that will come outside and we have it like this. So we have a sort in the denominator too. We want to remove it. When they are combining like this with multiplication, you can just pick the sort 3 and use it to multiply also. Or you can use the entire denominator 2 sort 3 over 2 sort 3. When you multiply, you will just simplify by cutting. But if I do it this way, 5 times sort 3 is 5 sort 3 all over. So 3 times sort 3 is 3. So let's go have this 2 times 3, 2 times whatever this will give you. And that is 6. We cannot cut or simplify further. That is our answer to that question. Number 5. Now we have 3 over 4 sort 3. So I can do the same thing I did here now. Just say 3 over 4 sort 3 times sort 3 over sort 3. 3 times sort 3 is 3 sort 3. So 3 times sort 3 is 3. So let's go over here is 4 times 3, which is 12. 4 times 3, 12. Now 3 and 12. 3 can go. 3 here 1. So we have sort 3 only and 3 here 4. So our answer is sort 3 over 4. Number 6. We have 5 sort 2 divided by 2 sort 5. So just like we did in number 3, 4, 5. Do the same thing here. Remove this sort from the This one is not a problem. This one down here is the problem. We have to remove this sort from the denominator. So we have 5 sort 2 divided by 2 sort 5. We will multiply this, just like I said, by a 1 that will affect this. And we can use sort 5 over sort 5. So if we multiply this, sort 2 times sort 5 is sort 10. So we have 5 sort 10. Sort 5 times sort 5 is 5 times 2 here. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 5 can go to 10. 5 and 5 is 1. So we have just sort 10 here, and 5 and 10 is 2. This is our answer. You can't divide this, so please take notes. You can't. This sort 10 over 2. That is the answer. Now to number 7. Number 7 is a combination of both multiplication and division of sorts. We have also sort 48. Now there is a trick I'm going to apply here. I'm going to bring out every single factor inside the sorts to solve this question. Mind you can solve it anyway. You understand the principles of mathematics. This is 2 times 14 is sort 7 times 2 times 3 times 21 is sort 7 times 3. All over is 7 times 24 is sort 4 times 6 times 2 times 98 is sort 49 times 2. 49 times 2 is 98. So now I'm going to separate all the sorts now and have 2 times sort 7 times sort 2 times 3 times sort 7 times sort 3. All over 2 times sort 4 times sort 6 times 2 times sort 49 times sort 2. Do you see this? So now I can cut where I see an opportunity. For example, I can cut 2 with 2 here. I can cut sort 2 and sort 2 here. Now, let me not cut. Let me just continue first. We have sort 7 times sort 7. That will give us 7 times. We have 3 times. Here we have sort 3. All under we have square root of 4. 2 times. Sort 6 here can actually still be broken further to sort 3 times 2. Then we have times 2 here. Then times square root of 47. 49 is 7. Alright. I have 7 times 3 times sort 3 all over 2 times. I can separate this sort 3 times sort 2 times 2 times 7. So 7, 7. I can cancel that out now. I have sort 3 here, I have sort 3 here, I can cancel that. So I have 3 divided by here, I have 2 times 2. 4 times sort 2. 4 sort 2. So we are left with this. We can now rationalize times sort 2 over sort 2. That is 3 sort 2 over sort 2 times sort 2. 2 times 4. 8. That is the answer to the question. I hope you learned something from this video concerning multiplication and division of sorts. Now I'll be giving a few exercises for you to also practice with. These are the questions for you to try it. Note them down, write them down. Make sure you solve them. It will help you understand better and it will impress it more in your memory. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, do that now. Subscribe to my channel and watch out. I'll be creating another video on this topic where I'll be solving more problems on sorts, especially problems that involve rationalization also, but further ones that are more complex than this. So take note, watch out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.